There are English words that happen to fit toki pona phonotactics, like the word awesome. But which is the longest? Let's ask AI to give me some code to check if a word counts. Well, that was easy. Let me just yoink that and test it out. Well, it did feel too easy. Turns out the regex only accounts for 3 of the 9 consonants for some reason. After fixing it works as intended, except it doesn't account for syllables ending with N. There we go, it works. Except, no. Turns out I forgot to actually use the function to check if a word is bounded. Here's the final result. Hold on a minute. D is banned in toki pona. So this word doesn't actually count, and neither does this word. But this 13-letter word, monumentalize, is valid. Sorry Americans, only the British spelling works due to Z not existing in toki pona. Thanks for watching, and why doesn't H exist in toki pona?